Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have something new here from ThruNite. So if you watch my channel, you know that I love testing LED flashlights. This one is from ThruNite. It's called the T5. Obviously, it's pretty small. I haven't opened it yet. ThruNite T5 Everyday Carry. So it's going to be tiny. I can tell right now. We're going to take it out of the box, check it out, check out the specs, and then we'll take it out at nighttime and see how it looks. Boy, that is small. As you can see, it's kind of cute actually, being that tiny. It's kind of got some weight to it because you can tell that it's made out of aluminum. And I can tell you everything that I've tested from ThruNite is superior quality. Looks like it has a key ring here for something, probably to go on here, like you could use a lanyard on it, hang it on yourself. So pretty cool. Black anodized looks like. ThruNite T5. So it has that ring right there. This is the light. Obviously it turns. You can adjust it to where it's straight out the end here or back this way, which that's actually nice. You can slide this on the bill of your hat and aim it forward. It's variable to you between the clicks. You can actually just turn it into whatever position you wanted it. So that would be nice on the bill of a hat or working on something. That's really cool. It's kind of stiff, but it feels solid. Nice belt clip. And then over here we have the switch. On the switch here, looks like it has a lock and then the light. So it has a dial and a button. We'll turn the dial off a lock to, looks like a light. And then one of these is going to be LED, regular LED white. One of these is going to be red, I believe. Yeah, so that's going to be LED white right there. This lights up blue. Turn it again, there's red. Once you have it on, you can turn it from white to red. And then when you push the button here, it turns it off. Now, the lock is really cool because if you was to throw this in your pocket or something, in a bag, if you push that button, it might turn your light on, run the battery dead. Well, with the lock, it doesn't matter if the button is pressed, it's not going to turn on. You don't have to worry about that. So that's a good feature to have the lock. I like that. Okay, so once we got it turned on, we hold this down. Changes our brightness, so we got low, medium, high. Double click is turbo. Triple click is strobe. If we hold and press it, that's going to be the Firefly, which is super low. We'll get into what them specs are, what the lumens are, and how long it lasts on each function. So let's go to red, see what we have. Turn it off and on with the button. Hold it. Oh, it turns blue. So red or blue. Red, blue, or green. That's pretty cool. And it flashes too. From red to blue when I double tap. So I've tapped it 3 times there. Now it's flashing red. SOS. Tap it again. Double tap. Goes back to solid red. Hold it down, go back to blue. And now it's flashing red and blue. So that's cool. Just depends on the sequence you push the buttons, double tap, triple tap, or hold, or press and hold it. So if you hold it down, you cycle from red to blue to green. Or yellow. Okay, so it also does come with a USB-C charging cable. And we just plug it in the side right here, like so. It's got this little kind of a waterproof flap that you open up. And when you take this out, you want to make sure you put it back down in there good. Keep the moisture or dust out. So we'll just plug this into this light here, which is a power bank. And see what it does on charging. Plug this in right here to the USB-A. And now, if you can see that, hopefully you can see that it's red, and that means it's charging. When it gets full charge, that ring around the button will turn blue. I like these because they're rechargeable. I hate ones that you have to put batteries in because they're always running batteries dead or the batteries go bad. These here, you just charge them up and you're good to go. And you can charge this thing like off that portable power bank, portable power station, plug it into your phone charger, plug it into your car, your motorcycle, whatever. It's just 5-volt charging, and that is really cool Super compact little light. Turn it on. And I like being able to turn it. So I can actually just set it up like this if I wanted to shine light on something. Straight up, back toward me. Either way, if you want to lay it down flat on something and you want to aim the light up at an angle, you can aim it to wherever you want. That's really nice. It's a neat little light. So we have the user manual here. We'll take a look at the specs. I like to take a look at these specs and just kind of give you guys an idea of what it is and what the functions do. So yes, it does show here that we have, of course, the lock. The next one is the white light. The next one is the RGB, which is red and green and blue. So it does say about the LED light right here when you got it plugged in. Red is being charged, blue is fully charged. And that is, yes, a lanyard hole, and there's a key ring if you want to use that on there. Because you could put this on a keychain. It's that small. Look how tiny it is. As far as this rotation, it has 180-degree rotation. So let's take a look at these specs here. As I said, we have strobe, firefly, low, medium, high, and turbo. And then we have the RGB light. So the RGB light, what it is, the red on the RGB light is 21 lumens, and the red lasts for 2 hours and 14 minutes. The green is 32 lumens and will last 2 hours. The blue is 4.6 lumens and will last 2 hours and 2 minutes. Okay, so now we go to the firefly function, which is that super low one I done by pressing the button and holding it. It is 0.2 lumens and lasts 188 hours. That's pretty incredible. For something that compact to have a battery to run a light for 188 hours. The low power on the white LED is 4 lumens and will last 18 hours. The medium is 65 lumens and will last 3 hours and 50 minutes. The high power is 158 lumens and will last 1 hour and 40 minutes. The turbo, which is the super bright one, is 523 lumens and will last 43 minutes. So that is pretty awesome. This thing does operate off of 2.8 volt to 4.2 volt. The dimensions of it says it's 62 millimeter by 39 millimeter by 18 millimeter, and it weighs only 65 grams. This also does come with a 2-year free replacement warranty. And I can tell you guys, these things last and last and last. The batteries in them are second to none. They're really good batteries in anything ThruNite. So their quality, you can charge them over and over and over again, and they just last. Super durable little lights. So this is pretty handy. I think it's going to be great with the clip like that. And then as I was saying here about the clip, which I think is going to be pretty cool, is putting this on the bill of your hat. You can put it on the top or the bottom, doesn't matter. Once you put it on the top or the bottom, then you can turn your light on, have it on your bill of your hat. We'll get this more straight. And then you can just tilt it down, up, if you're looking in trees, whatever, or just straight out wherever you're looking, you'll have light. So it'd be really nice if you're out working at night on something, got your hat, just clip it on there. This thing is so compact, it's just going to fit right in your pocket. That's why it's called an everyday carry, because you can just carry this every day in your pocket or your purse, throw it in a bag on your motorcycle. You can put it in your glove box, just super compact. Okay, so let's take this thing out at night, try it out, and see what we think. Okay, guys, we are out here at night going to try out the T5. Got to get away from this security light. Okay, turn it off of lock. Hit the button. You can see the blue ring around the button there. So pretty cool. So you can tilt this thing down, tilt it up. Very cool. I don't know what power I'm on right here. We'll have to try it and see. So, okay, so there's low, medium, high. Put it back on low for right now. And you really can't see the trees out there. Low is pretty low. But if we go down to the ground, you can actually see good. Not bad. I mean, for something close up, of course, we got a little bit of light, but it's quite a ways behind us. So now that we're out here, let's put this on medium. Oh, big difference on medium. So it really goes up. Now you can actually see the trees on medium. Lots better. Let's go to high. Lots better. That's crazy. This small of a little light puts out that much. Very cool. Now we'll go to turbo. Wow. I mean, this thing is impressive. Now, it's not a spot. You can see how it floods the area. So it's a floodlight. It's not got a spot, which something like this, I would think you would not need a spotlight. That's not what it is. But really good for being a floodlight, being this small and compact. That's one heck of a light. Okay, let's go. Let's try Firefly. Turn it off, hold it down. I mean, you can't even see it there. Firefly, turn it toward the camera. There's Firefly. It looks pretty bright right into the camera, but get down to ground. So Firefly is, I'm closer to the ground. I'm actually squatted down here so you can see. But is really low, but it lasts a super long time. So that's a cool part about this. If you need some light and you want it to last a long time, this would be great. Let's go ahead and try the colors. Whoa, there's red. And that is red. Pretty strange. It's not bad as far as brightness. Let's try, there's blue. By holding it down, we go to blue. Hold it down again, we go to the green. It looks good. Looks good. I think the blue looks the brightest. Red, blue. You see there, I got red, blue, green. I'm just holding it down and cycling through the different ones. So it's got memory, so if you turn it off, you're in green. When it comes back on, you're still in green. Let's go to red. You can see red don't shine very far. It just looks like it don't, probably because of the color. But then look at blue. A lot different for blue. Let's hold it down. Let's double click it. And now we are flashing strobe red, blue. Triple click. See what it does. SOS. Don't do that too much. Somebody sees it and think, what's going on? But yeah, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put this on red. Or blue, that'll work. And then we'll double click it now to go red, blue. When we double click it, when we're on blue or red and we double click it, it goes to red, blue flashing. Pretty cool. Put it back on regular LED light. Woof, that is bright. This thing is impressive. I can't believe how impressive it is for being such a tiny light. Couldn't put this back on Mr. Powerful. That is super bright. Man. So here we are on low. And memory is the same way. We'll go to medium. Turn it off. And then when we turn it back on, we're back in medium again. I do like the memory because I have had some lights I've reviewed, and not ThruNite, but some old lights. And the problem is they have like 3 different modes, like high, medium, and low. And then every time you turn it on, you got to go to the one you want. It starts out in the next mode, and then every time you start, it's in the next mode. I don't like that. I want it to cycle through. There's actually a rabbit out there. You see it? Oh, that strobe probably freaked the rabbit out. He just happened to come through there. Looks really cool in the mesquite. Nice and bright. And even on the ground, look at that. It's so bright, it just about blows the camera out. Super cool. So there you guys go. The little T5 out here at night. Pretty impressive. Okay, guys. So that is the ThruNite T5 Everyday Carry Compact LED Flashlight. Super cool. As you can see, the brightness was crazy bright for being such a tiny light. Very impressive. Very compact. I'll show you again in my hand how tiny this thing is. Like I said, just throw this in your pocket. stick it on the bill of your hat. Just a handy little light. Now, I will post a link in the description where you can check this out. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.